Slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with peace in this breathing awareness meditation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you'll always catch our new meditations. Welcome, LuSHiners. This is a gentle breathing awareness meditation, a quiet space for you to slow down, release tension, and reconnect with the peaceful rhythm of your breath. We often move through life carrying stress, scattered thoughts, and a sense of disconnection from our bodies. This moment, right here, is your invitation to come home to yourself. As you breathe and listen, you may begin to notice a softening in your body, a clearer, more present mind, and a deep sense of peace flowing through you. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle, and gently close your eyes. Now simply begin to notice your breath. There's nothing to change just yet. Just become aware of the natural flow of air moving in and out. Now let's guide the breath together. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful. Now allow your breath to settle into this slow and gentle rhythm. No need to count. Just keep breathing in a calm, steady flow. Let your awareness move to the breath entering your nose. Feel the coolness of the air as it brushes your nostrils, soft and effortless. Notice how the air travels through your nasal passages and gently flows down behind your throat. Where does it go next? Feel the breath moving down your windpipe, guided gently by your body, without force. Feel the breath going down and down, easily and naturally. Now bring your attention to your lungs. Feel the breath as it enters your chest. Notice the expansion with each inhale. Feel your lungs expand and release. Expand and soften. Expand and relax. Your breath is flowing effortlessly, like a gentle wave. Now, turn your attention to the exhale. Feel the air leave your lungs, traveling upward through your throat, out through your mouth. Feel the breath as it brushes past your lips, carrying with it any tension, any heaviness. Let it all go with each breath out. Now, begin to experience the breath as a whole. Feel the rise, the pause, the fall, and another pause. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Notice the stillness in those spaces between the breaths. There's peace there, rest there. Now, begin to count your breaths, one with each inhale, one with each exhale. Count 10 full, gentle breaths in your own time. I'll be quiet while you do. Beautiful. When you reach 10, simply rest in the calm you've created. Notice how your breath feels now, how peaceful your body is, how quiet your mind has become. This is your natural state of ease. And now, if you're ready to return to the rest of your day, I'll guide you back gently. I'll count from 1 to 5. With each number, you'll become more alert, more refreshed, bringing the peace with you. 1. Feeling a subtle shift in your awareness. 2. Beginning to notice the space around you. 3. Becoming aware of the room around you. 4. Feeling the energy return to your body. 5. Eyes open when you're ready. Fully present, grounded, and calm. May you carry this stillness with you into whatever comes next. Until next time, peace be with you. And as always, thanks for meditating with us. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who could use a little peace today.